So guys, this is Raj Mandel in front of you. I'm here to telling about the our topic. My topic is time is the best healer. As we all know that the time has the power to change everything and every moment, because because the time and our deeds depend on our time. If we do the good deeds, so our time become change, and also if we do the bad deeds also, so our time also change. Like if anyone beat others without any reason, and do the bad things lots of, that's why the time will change. If he is rich, so he will become poor, and if a person who is poor and do the good deeds, like giving the money to the needful person, and to help others, that like things, so the time will change his personality to poor to rich. The time teaches us that everything depend on our time, because time is the best healer. If we are injured from any disease, and if we are injured from any accident, so we are with the time we heal that, if, like as all the said, that the music is the best healer. And if we listen the music at that time, so our healing power will become increase. And because our mind has a chemical, I don't know what is the name of that chemical, so that increase our healing power. And the time is the best healer, because by the time we change a lot. If our family members support us, so we can change everything, and we can achieve everything by the time. Because if we change ourselves with the time, so we can achieve everything. Like in the ancient time, then the tribals are doing the lots of hard work to learn the writing part, and to speaking, and lots of things by walking. Like as we all know that in the ancient time, the human beings were a monkey, and by the hard work we become a human, and we walk on our two legs. But in the middle of that time, to become from the monkey to a human, the time will consume, the lots of time will consume. So the time will teach us that the time change everything, and the time has the power to achieve everything. And at the end, I would like to tell that the time is the best healer, and time heal everything. Thank you.